It's time to enjoy Arizona Rattlers. Coming down the Sidewinder Tunnel, celebrating his birthday today, the CEO of the Smith, Striker. And now here is Arizona Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, the next one is a productive tennis presentation from our nation and table. Here to perform the star special today, would you please welcome the Briggs Ashton?
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we held at the twilight's last gleam, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight, o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets ran through the night, that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner
Scoreboard operator, please give Arizona 7 points. Thank you. Thank you.
It's time as a red zone defense. Make some noise for you. Rattlers.
You on the field is an incomplete pass.
Pass intended for number 2, TJ Davis. Pass is incomplete. He goes 2nd and 10 and on the 15-yard line. Number 1, Jenny Higby, carrying for the Blizzards.
Now rocking with the best.
It'll find 105 from the 12-yard line. Pass complete to number 8, TJ Davis. Davis getting the first down for the Blizzards. 1st and 10 on the 15-yard line. Quarterback Max Miley, keeper. Miley with a gain of 6. Mike Van goes down. It is his 3rd down. Lockdown.
Left side of you, look up.
Miley on the quarterback keeper. They take a 1st down for the Blizzards. Ball on the 2-yard line. 1st and goal, Green Bay.
The run of the field is a touchdown.
Next, my one. Extra point complete by the 16 Angel Beavers.
Every body is different. Some get injured, while others wear down. At Borgo, Arizona.
Number 7, Isaiah Houston for the Rattlers. Penalty flags on the field.
During the return, illegal block in the back. Receiving team number 6, half the distance to the goal. First and 10, Arizona.
Houston's initial return to the 10-yard line after the penalty. First and 10 Rattlers on their own 5-yard line. Number 14, Jordan Parker on the reception for the Rattlers. Parker with a gain of 6 yards. Second and 4 from the 11-yard line. Number 29, Ron Brown Jr. on the carry for a First Credit Union first down. Dalton Stevens
During the run, holding offense number 94, half the distance to the goal. Repeat first down.
Ron Brown Jr. on the catch for the Rattlers. Big number 2 on the catch. Pass intended for number 6, Johannes Tyler.
Arizona head coach is challenging the rule in the field of illegal defense, specifically that the linebacker is not stationary at the snap. The play is under review.
Ready to dive into tonight's game plan presented by Rattlers Financial. Tonight's game plan for Rattlers is to avoid offensive turnovers, clock management, and take away the deep ball. That's tonight's game plan. Connect with Rattlers Financial. Get your winning financial game plan today. Lulu's Hockey, and for the Phoenix Zone, Ori. As they are the best in the West, also joining us this evening. From the Valley Sun, Red. From the Phoenix Mercury, Scorch. And from the Tucson Roadrunners, Dusty. And now here's party analyst for college from Arizona State University, Sparky. From Grand Canyon University, Thunder. And from the Fiesta Bowl, Spirit. And finally, from our folks down the south, from the Tucson Sugar Skull, Boom. And last but certainly not least, the birthday boy himself, Striker! Thank you, let's wish you a happy birthday on 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Striker!
After review, there was a foul for illegal defense on Green Bay, number 34, for not being stationary at the snap. It's a 5-yard penalty, repeated second down. Arizona coach is now in charge of timeout and has a challenge remaining.
They haven't even used the
Number 29.
a couple weeks.
Is that why it's all covered?
No, that's a whole. The dark level that you see above here. That's fancier suites than this. That all the way up. Those are seats like here. All the way
Yeah, I
up.
see those ones right there.
Yeah, they're nothing fancy.
Yeah. Well, yeah, okay.
Anyway, we'll be seeing you.
All right.
Once again, Ron Brown Jr. up against the Rattlers. That reception results in a First Credit Union first down. Number 7, Isaiah Houston with a carry of 5 on the play. Number 14, George Parker on the carry. Parker will be the at the end of the first quarter of play, they score 3-7. For Rattlers 7. Fans, it's time to welcome to the field the hottest dancers in the IFL, the Arizona Rattlers Sidewinders.
I'll get it to me, I'm a bad boy. All the ladies looking me and bad boy. I just like to put my lips up in like you. I'm a bad boy, dancing on the floor.
Night Bandits here for the Arizona Rattlers Sidewinders. The Sidewinders are presented by Kenley Scott, Leighton Mitchell Salon and Spa, Visa More Beauty, and KatieMankey.com, Respire Salon Studio.
Arizona challenge to the field with legal defense, specifically a player inside the developmental line. The play is now under 2.
Additional sponsors of the Sidewinders include Sanita Athletics, Jenny's Gems, and EOS Fitness. Fans, be sure to get your 50-50 raffle tickets. Your chance to win big money while supporting Rattlers charities. Get your tickets stopped by section 118 before the end of the third quarter.
By number 13 for being inside the developmental line. The penalty on board is in the previous spot after this is closed. It'll be second down. Arizona has not charged a timeout and received a bonus challenge.
Isaiah Houston. Touchdown, Rattlers. Number 4, Dawson Giving is winning the extra point for the Rattlers. And new score, Green Bay 7, the Rattlers 14.
I got to get more line in here, precise interpretation.
All right, please, let's see if this morning starters down on the shutdown.
Number 21 is Larry Peters down at the 10 for Green Bay. Peters into their return to the 17-yard line. First and 10. For the Green Bay 17. It's 4th down, showdown. Maybe escape the block. All of the flags on the field. Please make sure to grab your raffle ticket for tonight's jersey off the back. Tonight's jersey is number 65, offensive lineman Bryson May. That is section 118 by the end of the third quarter. Purchase your 50 raffle tickets and get your jersey off the back.
All right, fans, it's time to get on your feet and dance for your dinner for the Raising Cane's Dance Camp. Let's go! The best dancers in Tiger Row is going to get a gift card from Raising Cane's.
I see.